To run your action scripts, select the type of cover that you're attempting to create. In this video, we're going to select ebook number 1. Click on the arrow to expose steps 1 and 2. The first thing that you're going to want to do is run step number 1 by pressing the play button. Okay, you'll notice step number 1 is creating a flat template. You can edit this template here using your Photoshop tools by changing the text. You can also add in images. We recommend iStockPhoto.com for finding images for your e-cover. And you can pretty much do any custom design in this flat template that you want. Key thing being that you keep the size the same. You cannot resize it before we run step 2. And then also the guideline here that runs down top to bottom. On the left side of the guideline, this is going to be the spine of your book. So put any information that you would like on the spine over in this column. Once you're done customizing this part of your flat cover, you're going to run step 2 of the action script by clicking on step 2 and then pressing the play button again. At that point, you can see eCover Pro is doing all the work in the background for you, creating your eCover. And this usually will take anywhere between 20 and 45 seconds depending on the speed of your computer. Okay, you can see it's taken our flat image and turned it into an ebook. Now, you'll notice that right now we're viewing this image at 25% size. If we were to increase this to 100%, it's extremely large. You're going to want to save one copy of your image in the full resolution size here. That way you can always do work on it later without losing any resolution. And then you're going to want to resize to the size that you would want to display on your website by clicking image and then image size. Make sure constrain proportions is checked. And then for a standard ebook cover for most websites, I recommend changing the width to somewhere in the range of 200 pixels. You'll notice when we resize it, and then we zoom in to show the cover at 100%, there is the final size of our e-cover. So that's how you create your e-covers. The fun part is practicing and learning how to create your flat cover. You can, again, as I mentioned, edit the covers that we provide here, or the templates, or you can import your own images and text into the flat file as well. Also, you'll notice with the download, we included the Photoshop documents of the e-cover for the product eCover Pro. The reason that we did this is so you can see how layers work and how that e-cover was created by opening it up in Photoshop and playing around with it so you can get some ideas when you create your own e-covers, what you might want to do with layers and adding images, etc. So that concludes this video. We hope you enjoy eCover Action Pro.